All right, on this one, you're going to want to listen closely and really kind of think about this one. Okay, Michael uses a blend of dark chocolate and milk chocolate to make ice cream for his topping at his restaurant. He needs to buy 100 kilograms of chocolate in total. So if you remember right, some of that is dark chocolate that he wants to buy, plus some of it's milk chocolate, and he wants to buy a total of 100. So right there is one equation, just right there. I haven't even started on this money part yet. So I haven't even started on all this stuff yet. We just know between the dark chocolate and the milk chocolate, we need 100 kilograms of chocolate. And then on the next part of this, dark chocolate costs $12. So dark chocolate, $12 for dark chocolate, plus $10 for the milk chocolate. And I like to have a space between there. And altogether, he wants to spend 1,020. So right there. This is how you write up your two equations. Now we got to find out which ones equal this. So this one, nope, not that one. Yeah, it works for this one. Nope. Yeah, so it's either B or D. And 12D plus that, yeah, it works for that one. You can see it would have been the opposite for this one. So this one is that right there. That's kind of how you write up your equations. Let's try one more here, okay? So on this one, Kevin is 3 years older than Dan. So first of all, I want you to understand the word is means equals. So Kevin is. That's how it starts out. Kevin is. So first of all, we need a K equals. Notice there is no K equals here. There is here. There is no K equals here, but there is here. So it's either going to be letter B or letter D. Kevin is 3 years older than Dan. So whatever Dan's age is, we just simply need to add 3 to it to get his age. Hopefully that makes sense. Now, the second part about this. Kevin was 4 times older than Daniel, or 2 years ago, Kevin was 4 years. So if you take 2 years ago, whatever Kevin's age is now, 2 years ago, he was 2 years younger. And Kevin's age was or is 4 times Dan's age. But that was Dan's age 2 years ago, not his age now. His age 2 years ago was D minus 2. So Kevin's age 2 years ago is 4 times Dan's age from 2 years ago. So which one matches up to these two? I think if we slide over here and look at letter B, we will notice that letter B matches up to those two. That's how you do it, guys. Good luck. Have a good one. Bye-bye.